so excited. I'm basically doing 2 product reviews again of things I've seen on Instagram, on YouTube, basically on social media, one of those like hacks, like do they work or not. So I'm doing 2 at once. I'm going to do this Aztec Clay Mask, which is really good for deep cleaning of the pores and smoothing skin overall. And then I'm going to use this guy, which I'm so excited to use. And it's basically like this extreme magnifier of the skin, which might be scary. But I'm going to look at my skin with the magnifier before and after I use the Aztec mask to see if we actually see a difference in my skin or not. So let's get started. I'm gonna do a split screen of basically the video footage of this so you can compare. I can see it live now on my computer. I'm scared. Let's start. So, okay, so this is like under my eye area. Oh, that looks like a freckle. Ooh, stop. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like eroding out of my skin. This is crazy. Okay, we're gonna move around. I don't know if those are freckles or pores. I have a couple of freckles. Crazy. Okay, so that's my skin. I'm going to mix up the mask. The one that we're using is Health and Beauty Rosham Secret Indian Healing Clay Deep Pore Cleansing. 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So this clay mask you can use for facials, acne, body wraps, foot masks. You can even put it on your knee if you have knee issues. It's supposed to help with that. The directions say to mix the clay. You can either use water, apple cider vinegar. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. To put onto the face for 5 to 10 minutes to let it dry. If you have sensitive skin, if you don't, 15 to 20 minutes. So let's mix it all up. Okay, so I think this is good. It's like very thick. It literally looks like clay or like silly putty. So hair up. Good thing about having dry hair is you don't need a hair tie. So I'm gonna put this onto my face. It's like cement. It literally feels like cement. Damn it, my hair. Whatever. So I'm gonna wash my hands off. I already feel it drying, like I already feel like I can't move my face. It said for sensitive skin 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna do the 15-20 because I wanna get rid of those pores. Be right back. The mask has been on for 15 minutes and before I take it off, I'm really interested to see what the mask looks like close. Sorry, I can like barely move my face. It feels like cement. I can like barely talk. So let's see. Oh. It looks like what I imagined the moon would look like. You can see like where I've been talking and it's like cracking. It's so interesting. Wow. You can like see the hair and the skin underneath. Hi, you can go on in.
Okay.
So cool. Okay, let's wash this off. Hopefully it's easy to wash off. I want to see what the results are. Okay, so the process of taking the mask off is much more difficult than putting it on. It literally felt like I was getting my face waxed. Like it was so just like cemented and dried to my face, but I got it off and I have to say my face feels very, very smooth, but also really, really dry. So after we look at it on the camera, I'm gonna put moisturizer on. So at about the 10-minute mark, my face started getting super, super cold. It's like I just took Listerine mouthwash because it was so cold, like to the point where your eyes water. But it really felt like it was cleaning and it really felt like I was getting deep down in there. So I took it off. As you remember, when I did the close-up on my skin before I did the mask, I had some super clogged blackhead. But I'm really interested to see how my skin looks after and if I can tell a difference or not. I'm just gonna go right to the nose. Okay, right off the bat, I see like a It almost looks like a broken blood vessel. The bright purple little squiggy line. Okay, these are pores. Still pores, still look a bit blocked, but not as bad as before. There's a freckle. What's interesting is my skin looks a lot drier. So definitely gonna wanna put some moisturizer on. Let's look at this side. Yeah, look how dry my skin looks. It's crazy how dry it looks. It's so different. Ooh. Pores galore. So, you know what? After this mask, I can't say that I see a huge difference in terms of the deep cleaning of the pores because I still see quite, whoa. I still see quite a lot, but you know, I think just the best way to deep clean your pores is to do extractions. Of course, you should never like pick at your face, but if you get a facial to do like deep extractions or like a nose strip to really get those bad boys out of there, and then do a mask like this to really clean it out, because you can still see on the footage that there are pores and they still look blocked, but it's nothing compared to the first video, the one that was like actually coming out. So I think it was a success, not as much of a success as I thought it was gonna be, but my face does feel super, super exfoliated and smooth. And I'm sure after some moisturizer, it's gonna feel amazing. But thanks for tuning in. And if you guys want, I'm going to put in the bio the mask and the magnifying if you wanna try it out on yourself. So let me know. Thanks for tuning in. Oh my God. Stop. Oh my God.